In a world where every homeowner dreads the thought of unexpected repairs, the stress often leads to an even bigger problem: overwhelmed nerves and empty wallets. Yet, with Fix-It-Save, that anxiety transforms into empowering action. With just a mere click of a button, reluctant DIYers can become capable fixers, tackling issues they once believed were insurmountable. Imagine diagnosing your leaky faucet not only quickly but accurately, turning confusion into clarity. That journey, from uncertainty to competence, starts the moment you decide to trust in yourself and the innovative support of Fix-It-Save. Picture the moment when you realize you can take control of your home repairs. You type in your problem, and just like that, Fix-It-Save processes the information and presents you with tailored solutions. No more guesswork. It's as if you've unlocked a secret tool, one that transforms you from a worried homeowner to a knowledgeable handyman, armed with the confidence to tackle even the trickiest repairs. Imagine receiving a step-by-step guide that walks you through every fix. You grab your tools, feeling prepared and informed as you follow along. It's not just about repairing, it's about transforming your approach to home maintenance altogether. Say goodbye to the chaos of mixed-up instructions and the frustration of mismatched tools. Fix-It-Save delivers not only clarity, but also peace of mind. Armed with safety warnings and an intelligent list of what you'll need, you'll approach each project ready for success. With Fix-It-Save, every homeowner can finally reclaim their space and their sanity. Embrace the joy of becoming your own handyman, transforming daunting tasks into manageable challenges, all while enjoying the satisfaction of fixing things yourself. Remember, it's not just a repair, it's the start of a newfound confidence and independence.